Hello everyone, today is August the 27th, 2024, and this is Dr. Fryer, and in this screencast I would like to show you how you can screen record on Microsoft Windows, and this has changed a little bit for Windows 11 with the print screen button, so let's jump into it. I'm using this as part of a lesson on a Minecraft screencast that I teach for my media literacy class. And so students build a house with a partner and then they create a screencast tour. And so it kind of goes through the process of how we do this. In Canvas, this is how that assignment looks. First as a screencast test, and I've got a video for Mac, and this is the video for Windows, and so this is how you're going to be able to do this. So you're going to want to open up Minecraft Education on your PC, and you're going to have to log in. Remember that for our school, we don't just put our password, we have to put @live because it's a little bit of a different password. Remember that you have set your password to be your Google account, and you can just click no, sign into this app only. If you restart your computer at the end of class, it should be reset so that it'll erase all of your logins. So you're going to connect to a world and you're going to have built your house. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and open up a blank world to show as a demonstration because I just want to show how I've got Minecraft running. So here I am in Minecraft, and let's pretend like I have built a house here, and my house is going to have all my requirements, and this is not going to be a great house. Let's say, oh look, this is Dr. Fryer's great house. Okay, it doesn't have all my stuff, but we're going to pretend my house is done. It's wonderful. I'm ready to screencast. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. First off, get set so that you're ready to record and look at your requirements of what you need to include in your screencast. When you are recording your screencast, I always encourage, just as I modeled here, that you are going to introduce this. So you're going to say your name, you're going to say the date, you're going to explain what you're going to do, and then in 2 minutes or less, you're going to take us on a tour of your house. All right, so got all that set. I'm ready to go on the tour. The button that I want to click on the screen is the print screen button, and it is the one that looks like this. On our keyboards, it is to the right of the F12 button. And you don't actually have to press the Windows button as well. You can simply press print screen as we have it configured. That's what I'm going to show you here. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to press print screen. Now, the first button that you have selected is to take a screenshot, a snip. But we're going to do the second one, which is the camera to record. And you have to select the part of the screen that you want to have recorded. So I'm going to draw a box from the corner around the entire thing. Notice that right up here, I have it muted. It does not have my microphone turned on. So I'm going to need to come down and uncheck the mute button so that this microphone does not have a line through it. Also, make sure that you have the correct microphone selected. In the case of these computers, as we're configured now, it's called the Realtek Audio. You're going to also make sure your headset is plugged into the right plugs. You have a red plug and a green plug, and the green one is headphones and the red one is the microphone. Okay, so I've got all that set. I'm now ready to click start, and it's going to give me a little countdown so I can resume my game. And now I'm ready to give you a tour. Hey everybody, welcome. Today's the 7th of August 2024. This is Dr. Fryer, and this is my tour of my Minecraft house. Okay, and I will give you my full tour of my house. Wow, isn't that an amazing house? Okay, my Minecraft tour is done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on stop. And what this does is it opens up my screen recording. I can push play and play it and listen to it. And it is located in the folder called screen recordings. So if I click on 3 dots here, I can go to my screen recordings folder, and you can see here are the screen recordings that I have made. Okay. Now, if you need to get back to this, okay, you can go on your computer into your file manager. you can click on videos in the side, and there's a folder called screen recordings. And so depending upon how you're viewing these, if you're viewing them as a list or as icons, I like to view the details, and so I can see when these are made. And so if you have these sorted by date and time, here's my most recent screen recording. This is going to be the tour that I gave of my tour. So you can click on that and say, change the name. So this is my tour. And the last thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to put this into Google Drive. And so here in my Chrome browser, I'm going to go to Drive. You could choose to put this into a folder. I have a folder for academics, and I can go into a folder, if you want to, for computer apps. You haven't made a folder like that. And then you're going to put your file. And the way you do that is you go to New, File, Upload, and again, you need to go into your videos folder, screen recordings, and this is where if you've renamed your file, that's going to help to be able to find it, okay? Now remember, when you share your file, it doesn't have shared access. You're going to have to right-click and share it, and you're going to have to change the access. I recommend anyone with the link can view, and then you can copy your link, all right? At that point, you have done your test. That is your test file. And so when I come here to my 3.4 screencast test and I start assignment, it says to turn it in, and it says to put the Google Drive link on our Padlet. So here is our Padlet. You have to log into our Padlet, and you're going to post that into our Padlet, which hopefully is blank. Yeah, doesn't have anything in here yet. So I'm going to click here and say Screencast Test, and I will click on the link, okay? Because I'm going to paste the link. I'll block these notifications. Paste that link in, and it may take a little while for the image to process, for it to show the thumbnail for that. And you can wait, if you wait a little while after you upload it. But it doesn't take too long usually, especially for something short. And there it is. I'm now ready to copy the link to this post. That is what I turn in as my URL. And so the way that you make sure that's correct is that when you view your submission details, this link should not be to a Google Doc. It should be to the Padlet. And when you click on it, voila, there's my Padlet. And here's my tour. Okay, and that's the way that works. Okay, ta-da. All right, so good luck. And in the description of the video, I'll include links to these resources that I've used for this demonstration. Good luck.